Hi, this is Jed Norwood with Forex Strategy Secrets. I wanted to share with you today a couple of key points in trading with trailing stops. I'll give you some of the benefits. Before I get into the dynamics of this particular trade, let me just break down a few things. One, a trailing stop allows you to emotionally detach yourself from the position and allow it to just do its thing. This affords you to be able to leave the computer, go to work, go to sleep, whatever. One of the caveats to that, though, is you want to make sure you're in profit before you initiate that or allow that trailing stop to govern your position for you. And the way you do that is once your position is in profit, I like to try to give it 10 or more pips. Then I'll move my stop loss to a protect profit point about around a pip or two, sometimes 3 or 4. It locks it in. So I'm not going to lose anything on the trade. And then I've 100% removed my emotions from this position, let the trailing stop just work. The risk you run is losing potential profits in a movement if there's a spike that pulls it back in the direction of your entry and you get taken out prematurely. But in all the times I've done this, I'm usually 70 to 80% accurate when it comes to setting these so that I don't have that happen. So 20 to 30% of the time it's going to happen to me, but the other 70 to 80% it doesn't, and it actually works very well. And so those drawdowns are, in my opinion, the cost of doing business for capturing some of these bigger moves. Anyway, so with this particular trade, I got these two scans from the Norwood Strategy scanner about right in this area, and things weren't quite set up the way I wanted them on all of the time frames, but I finally did get the signal over here that I was looking for, so I entered the position. I set my stop loss at the 15 moving average, and then I waited until it was in profit to initiate the trailing stop. Now what I do is when it gets about 10 pips in there, I'm going to move it manually because I want to give it I want to lock it in, but I don't like to do 5 or 10 pip trailing stops necessarily. They can work for faster moving markets, but for what I'm trying to do, a 15, 20 is better for the euro pairs for me. And so that way I'm allowing myself the permission to let it go and just let it do its thing. So by setting this up and just letting it run, you can see that I won 30 pips on this particular position. I hope this has been helpful for you. Feel free to drop us a line at jed@forexstrategysecrets.com. We look forward to talking with you and hope to be able to rub shoulders with you and trade alongside you someday. This is Jed Norwood, signing off.